get any video because we were just too busy. But anyways, this is the scrap trailer. I got it loaded. I don't know how much is in there yet. There's like at least 3 pickup trucks, and then a bunch of other stuff. Yeah, it's going to be exciting to see what the ticket is. I've never hauled anything this big. Well, I mean, I've hauled like trailers bigger than this, but I mean, not for selling to as scrap. So I will be curious because there's like another 1 or 2 loads there, and then I guess some other folks were stopping by and asking, you know, like what whether they could get rid of some metal too. So we might have a little bit more work. And it's slow anyhow, so that'll work out well. That's Megan. Well, I'm glad that didn't blow out of the truck. This is for scrap rod because just so that I'm proving that we have a claw. These are all burnt pickup trucks. Not all of them, but on the top, that's what we put in there. I know, it could have got the rims, but it wasn't up to me. There's a whole bunch of stuff I could have got. I guess that wasn't a pickup. Say hi to YouTube. Yeah, I would have got the film getting it loaded, but I had to get a ride up to get my pickup so we could load the non-ferrous in. So by the time I got back, Bob pretty well had the whole thing loaded, and then I was like running around in the trailer, you know, stomping little bits down and stuff, so I couldn't get any footage, but oh well. We got at least one more load, probably two more loads. But yeah, there was like a great big pile of aluminum wire, like insulated wire, and then they found a whole, like a couple of coils of copper, like insulated copper too, in a shed. So we'll have a bit of non-ferrous coming in. I told them to just kind of pick out whatever they could. There's like a bunch of starters and stuff, I think. But we just got to get the place clean, and because it's so far away from the scrapyard, we got to try and do it as quickly as we can. Wow. Glad I didn't get that on film. Anyhow, I think this is about all it is just pulling this crap out of there. So I will quit filming now, and unless something really cool happens. This is the magnet. I didn't realize it was just a. Oh, I see. You just plug the leads or something into. Must plug it in at the end of the grapple. Now we're on the magnet. I've never seen the magnet work. I don't know how they don't just latch onto the whole trailer, but they must not. See what it's getting. Well, I guess it's getting a little bit of stuff. Anyhow, I guess this isn't as exciting as I was expecting. Bye.